What is up, internet? How you all doing? So today, me and Jolina, we're gonna discover a place near to the airport, and this road will take us to the Sibulan actually. And guys, you see this? They even closed the road here because what I heard is they have like a mayor or like very famous political people is living here, and they didn't like that people are driving on this road, and they just choose to make this road as a private road. You know, they lose the traffic. Yeah, but the place is like this.
It's a private property.
Yeah,
the mayor actually didn't pay for it yet. That's what the guy said.
Really?
Yeah.
Have you heard that also?
Huh?
Did you hear that also?
No, I heard that they closed this road that you need to pay.
Yeah.
But I didn't hear like this a mayor. All I heard is they just don't want any. I don't know.
They don't want to. They don't want to have traffic here. Yeah.
Not traffic. Because I remember we passed this road before.
Really?
Yeah, a long time ago, 2019 I think. 2019 we passed this road.
But this place is like very next to the beach. It's a very beautiful place actually.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, very peaceful also. And let's see if we rent the house here also, or apartment or some kind of place, because really that place is amazing.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. Look at this, guys.
Look at this dog.
What are you? Are you a dog or what are you? Hello, sir. No, thank you. Is that a dog? It doesn't look like a dog. It looks something I don't know from the very scary movie.
It's a nice beach. It's nice beach.
Yeah, them we are
Private.
so close.
10 peso entrance. Yeah,
10 peso entrance.
Yeah.
That's the place where I came to catch the crabs.
Catch the crab.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, here.
No, here on the sea. We had these crab traps.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
This is the fish fund.
Fish pond.
Yeah, I think you can get crab there also.
So if you want to rent the place like here, like this, then it was 10 peso.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can just come here and grill whatever you want. Yeah, enjoy the beach. I don't know how enjoyable this beach is, but it is a beach. It is a real beach. But this place is very interesting. Hello, dog. How are you? Are you friendly? Give me a high five. Smell me at least. Look at this dog, is going crazy.
The bite.
A jealous dog. Oh. Don't bite me.
Don't come inside
Wow,
my
look
house.
at this, how cool truck this is. Very cool.
Seems like they do diving here. Look at that. So that.
Oh yeah, seems like, yeah, diving gear. Balloons. Balloon. What do you guys think about this place? Is something, would it be interesting living here?
Look,
What is that?
artist.
It's like a brain.
It's here the big one. Fruit. It's fruit.
Really?
Is it? No, it's not really.
Mainapoon. Do you know, is anybody renting a house? Do you know, is anybody renting a house here? Okay. Okay, thank you. Mainapoon.
I don't.
Hello, sir. Komosta ka?
Okay.
Maja. Amokera. Thank you, sir. Salamat. Oh, wow, they have a river. Jolina, that's a grab hole, right?
Huh?
That's a grab hole. But this water is so smelly. Do you smell it? Oh, look at this. I'm sure these are for rental. Let's go try to ask. What is this you're eating? What is that? Is that
Fruit. That
Really?
one. There.
Oh, really? You can eat that.
Yeah, but this one is too young. Still sour. Smell pig.
Hello. What's up, bro? What's up? Let's check here. Let's check over the gate.
Here's the camela.
Sorry?
Here's the camela home.
Really? Let's go check it out. I don't know if you can go inside. There's a guard probably.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but you can rent.
I think this the. Oh no, this is not the one we checked last time. Or is it? No.
I don't know. But guys, you can rent. Look at this. Camella Homes. Yeah. Put it in the Facebook marketplace. Camella Homes.
It's rent to own.
Yeah, lots of. Oh, rent to own. So basically, yeah, you're gonna do like a small amount of the. What's that?
Down payment.
Down payment. And then you're gonna pay monthly like 7,000 pesos or something like that. Like 20 years.
Yeah.
And the place will belong to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Casamira.
Oh, that's a Casamira.
Yeah, this is the one we checked before. Do
So
you
that's
remember?
not Camella.
No, it's not. It's Casamira.
So Casamira,
The
guys.
Camilla, it was so nice.
Casamira.
And big.
Yeah. Maina puun, sir. Yeah. Yo, yo.
Oh, yo.
Oh, wow. Look at
Seems
this
like
nice
it's
mountain.
new.
Seems like, yeah.
Yeah, seems like it's new.
Damn, that's a nice place actually. It is very nice, honestly. It's quiet here.
Yeah, it's new.
So let's see the name.
Casamira.
It's hidden on the bushes.
Agay.
Casamira. M-I-R-A.
R-E.
Yeah, if you guys interested.
R-E.
Place like this. Who's texting you, huh?
TM.
What they want?
They want me to buy the load.
You don't have a load,
No, I have load still.
but they still want you to buy the load.
Of course.
Oh, the
TM.
scammers.
Always like that.
And Solina, do you know this road will actually take us to the Sibulan?
Okay, Sibulan.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah.
I wonder how much is the rent here? Monthly rental
I don't know.
for the empty unit. Maybe 15 or 10, something like this.
Maybe, yeah.
Let's ask. Let's ask for somebody who's smart. Like some woman is coming. Maina puun. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Good afternoon. Do you know how much they ask rent in this Casamira place?
I do not know.
Approximately 10,000, 15. 10,000 pesos in month. Yeah.
Very expensive.
Very expensive. Okay, thank you. Salamat. Oh, they have even store here. Solina, do you want to drink water?
No,
You don't want to drink water?
no.
What are these people doing here? Let's go check. Let's go check. Maybe we can buy too big.
That's someone's house.
Maina puun. Guys, do you know how much is the rental in that Casamira? How much does that cost in monthly, approximately?
Rent?
Yeah, in Casamira. Is it 10,000 or 15,000?
No, mga
8,000
below.
and below?
Depend on house big and small.
Okay, I understand. Is it possible to go to the beach here?
Yeah.
Can we go?
Okay.
Okay, let's go, Selena. Thank you so much for the information. Guys, so under 8,000 pesos. That's very nice. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, they have chairs. Selena, let's buy chairs. We need some chairs. So I can't believe people are living here like that. Hey, Maina puun.
Food. Oh yeah, yeah.
Is it low tide right now? I
Yeah,
don't think it's low tide. Look, even
It's low
coconuts.
tide.
Very small ones only. Yeah.
Would you want to swim here? No, me no. Me no. Me no swimming here. Look how dirty
Big no,
it
no.
is. Look how dirty it is.
It is very dirty. Yeah, would you like to do something like that? Would you like to do?
Yeah, I'd like to try it.
Have you done it before?
Huh?
Have you done it before?
No,
Oh wow, that's crazy.
but I will try.
Damn, let's buy water.
Do you have money?
I think I have like 20 pesos. I give the guy 100. I have one. Let me see how much I have.
5 pesos.
I don't have money.
We don't have money.
I'm so out.
We don't have money.
Let's see if we have money in the wallet. Can check. Do we have a little bit?
Seems like we have a CV. Oh yeah.
Okay. Let me ask.
Yeah. Palit ko tubig.
Manapun. Manapun. Palit ko to.
Unsang color? Gusto unsa.
Oh. Hey, how are you? Do you know, is anybody renting a house here? No. Okay.
8 mo to ha. 8 mo duhay mo.
No house renting.
20.
So then let's go somewhere else. It takes so much time. Let's go somewhere else.
Tubig.
Tubig. Against?
Oo. Pila ng dako ninyo?
Dito rin pabukas sa plastic.
Wala kami bugnaw.
There's no cold.
No, let's go buy gold.
Thank you. Okay ra.
So they don't have a gold too big. Then I'm getting so annoyed very fast, like if I have to wait. Because I know there's like many stores. So if they don't want to give it, if they don't want to serve, then it's okay. We just go to the next one. And next one happens to be right here. And behind the corner, probably. Do you think it's a store?
Hmm?
Do you think there's a store?
I think that one there.
That one. Maybe let's go inside. Maybe we can find a store over there. I'm sure they have a store. Mainapuun. Kumusta mo? Maja. Do you have a sari store? You don't have? Okay, let's not go. No sari. What's up, bro?
Oh no, not here.
Oh, it's okay. Let's just walk. Mainapuun. Kumusta mo? Maja.
Maayo.
Yeah. Bad thing is like if you don't have the money, we're gonna take the tricycle back. Yeah, we gotta walk, but it's good. What's up, bro? Oh wow, they even have a church. They even have a church.
Yeah. No church.
Oi!
Wait.
What is this? Family beachfront apertella. Can you pronounce that? Can you pronounce that?
Apartil.
Apertella. So basically, you can rent here actually. Yeah, I think here we can go back to the Sibulan Street.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Family church.
Victory.
Family beach house. Do not enter. So, beach resort weddings, free Wi-Fi, YouTube and Netflix. Oh wow, they have a free Wi-Fi and YouTube and Netflix. That's incredible. I never heard a place having a free Wi-Fi and free YouTube. Yeah,
Netflix.
I'm used to pay for the YouTube. Yeah, only here you can have a free YouTube.
Here's the store.
Oh yeah. Damn, it's so sunny.
Yeah, very.
Very sunny.
Very hot. Cobra. What is that? Is that thing there?
Ooh la la.
It's an airplane.
Yeah, that's an airplane because the airfield is over there. Let's just buy the water and maybe we just go back.
Yeah. Ayo.
Ayo, palit ko tubig. Palit ko tubig.
Tubig dahil ako.
Pila ng dako? Big?
Yeah, small one.
Katong gamay lang. Oh, pila?
How much quarta do we have? So, I got my Cobra. This one was green and it tastes a little bit disgusting, honestly. But we are gonna go back home. Yeah, that's already like, you know, I've never been in this place like that actually, so I just wanted to discover. So guys, I also asked about the land price here, about the guy who was working in the store, and he said the land here is 300 pesos a square meter. So basically, where are we living? It's 3,000 and here it's 300. And look, you're so close to the beach. Guys, I will show you something. You see the guard over there? He's sleeping right there. So let's go inside. Let's go slowly. Don't slowly. You see? he's just sleeping over there. Damn, what a guard. Let's go check this place out. Because the guard is sleeping right there. Very nice place. Actually, it is a nice place. It is, it's brand new. Yeah. Somebody's doing karaoke there. Very nice place. Damn, imagine, this guy is making money right now. So that's a business guy. Yeah, he's making money while he's sleeping. That's how I want to make my money also. Yeah.
He's sleeping, what the heck?
Damn, that's crazy. Damn, I can just go there and grab his gun.
Yeah.
Yeah, nobody will know.
Damn, that's crazy. Our guy is sleeping.
Yeah.
Supposed to watch the place.
Yeah. So guys, we're gonna head back to home. It's enough because we're gonna walk that much. Selena belly is growing, you know. Selena gotta rest. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you wanna support us, we will put the payment link under the video description. And subscribe to the channel, like this video, and as always guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.